Hey people, I am back at the portal today. We're having a meeting tonight and don't know what I should get. We meet here every Wednesday and I think I've had just about everything on the menu, and everything of course is good. So, what should I get? I do love this ribeye steak because it is so good. It's huge. It comes with either french fries or baby baker potatoes, Texas toast, and a salad and a drink, and it's $23.95. So I think I'll get that again. So right now the bar is closed, but I got here early for the meeting, so let's just take a look. You know, this is a great place to eat. It's awesome. And that's why we keep coming back here every Wednesday for our meetings, because they are so good to us here and they just have great food. The portal. And you know, this used to be a bank. This used to be Harlan National Bank. And I love the way they've got the tables. They've got like an old mine map underneath this glass. And they've got the old pictures. Cornhole. UK. And what a great view. And there she is, Florence Reese. If you haven't heard this, you can look it up on YouTube. And her, Miss Charlotte Nolan, she was a teacher. She was the drama teacher at Harlan Independent, and she played Mammy Yoakum on Broadway. And right here is the portal. That was back when it was the Harlan National Bank. And the movie, Harlan County, USA. If you haven't seen that, you can also look that up on YouTube. I think it's on Amazon Prime right now also. That's the old Harlan Hospital that I was telling you about. If you'll look back on my other video, where I was walking around town, you know, talking about the history and what used to be where. That's where Clover Fort Clinic is now. And also, same video, the Llewellyn Hotel. The bottom part has changed, but all this is still the same. And it was Powers and Hortons in the bottom. And now it says Pikeville Hotel on it because of the movie that they did here. And also in that same video, Bus Depot, it's now the Hendrickson building across from the post office. There was the courthouse in 1903. Right there, Harlan National Bank. This is where we are right now. So I am going to walk over there and show you down that street now. So this was then. This was, don't have a date on it, but it looks like the 50s maybe. And right down that way is this same street. Right over there, where that gentleman is standing, that would be Lee Drug, and then on down the street. I'm getting a blur here. Okay, there it is. Oh, technology, I tell you. There it is. These lights, I remember these lights when I was little and this was still the Harlan National Bank. I always thought that they were so neat. And I have already ordered, I went ahead and ordered that ribeye again because, I mean, it's good for the price. It's good for the taste. It's good for the tummy. Oh, and yeah, so that's what I ordered. I ordered the ribeye. I ordered it medium rare and with fries this time instead of the baby baker taters. And I get a side salad, and I've got my Coke Zero sitting here. And the eating part starts at 5:30. And members are starting to get here. This is Flamingus. And we'll wait on the others. And our Vice President, the MP, has arrived.
Circles around you, sir, and you cry about it.
Okay. You make $75,000 a year in your profession. Then you come talk to me.
And we have Skyla who's joined us.
Yay!
We're almost all here. And Miss Shrewsbury has joined us. Pizza is that?
BLT, I guess. I don't know.
BLT pizza. We are getting ready to start our meeting, so I am going to say goodbye for tonight, and I'll be back. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.